Mr. Jim Salop! Gulat ako, nandiyan ka pala! Hey! Okay, eto na. Super Slam Bang ito. Ano ba ang hinahanap mo para maging winner sila tonight?
Well, una-una dapat yung hataw talaga, sabay-sabay, at Super Slam Bang ang dating. Yun talaga dapat.
Feel the feel!
Yup.
Dapat intense! Hataw to the max!
Energy dapat.
Okay, well, we have a lot in store for our people tonight, so we gotta get things started. Janine, let's do it! Thanks, Regine. Hey, everyone. Janine here with our first challenger.
The freestyler!
Matagal na ba kayo magkakasama?
10 years na kami magkakasama.
10 years. Ano bang style ng sayo ninyo?
Hip-hop, point to God.
Sa palagay ninyo, tayo yung patawin ng ating boss group?
Kayang-kaya, syempre naman.
O anong message natin sa ating mga kagrupo? Ibang group?
Kilala niyo naman kami, di ba? Freestylers ng Kalamba, Laguna. Hindi niyo pa kami kaya. Peace, yo!
1, 2, 1, 2.
Yan ba yun?
Check this out. Faith! Come on! Check this out. This is what?
Combination at
What's up with the mix, man? We want to get it on! What? Nakita mo yun? Galing!
Ang galing! Wow, what a way to start the competition. So much power and precision.
Start pa lang yun, ha?
Oh!
Start pa lang yun.
Okay, thank you so much, Jim. Pero you know what, that's only the first clue. Meron pang gusto umagaw ng top spot. So, Janine, who do you have with us over there?
Okay, abangan natin to.
Hindi ang susunod nating grupo ay ayaw pa rin magpatalo.
Hip-hop, PUDB!
Ang taon ka na, Bunso? 11 po. Kaya mo bang makipagsabayan sa kanila? Oo naman po. Kaya nyo bang patawin ang ating boss group? Yakang-yakang. Wow. Anong message nyo sa ating mga ibang kagrupo?
Huling sayaw nila to! Hanggang dito lang kayo! Do this! Okay! Y'all ready for this?
Ito, may kasamang bata. Tinitewag na.
Pansin ko, medyo uso naman yung mga bata kasama yung mga dati.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, what? Yeah! Let's go! Okay! Is there no one else? What? 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 Galing ng bata, gigil na gigil eh. You think you can do this to me? King Kong ain't got this on me! sayang. Sa likod lang tinambling eh. Dapat sa front. Di ba? Napansin mo?
Oo, tsaka apat lang sila sumasayaw sa
Dapat.
away. Hindi na-appreciate yung 5 sa grupo nila. Ayos lang yun.
Yes. Pero ang kitang bata.
Yes.
Yeah,
Thank you so much, Jim. Okay, well, actually, ang viewers naman natin ang talagang made choice kung sino gusto nang umakyat sa top spot. All you have to do is text SSB, space vote, space the number sign and group number of your choice and send it to 0921-2888-088. And you have until tomorrow, 12 noon, to vote. That's
Yes.
simple.
Sounds
Okay.
good.
2 groups have performed so far. We have 3 more to go. You'll meet the rest of the challengers and our reigning champ only here on Super Slam Band.